Hello everyone, welcome to the Trade Ideas live trading room recap for Thursday, March the 19th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. If you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. This is the link for the free room, 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our room. And the room is open Monday to Fridays, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen and I'm live on the mic. And in the email you're getting, the promo code for 20% off is still valid. My guess is that it will expire tonight, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time, all right? So that'll give you 20% off, and you'll see what the promo code is. It's PADDY, all in capital letters. And as always, if you decide that you want to upgrade, and you take out a subscription today, if you want to upgrade and you do it within 30 days, we will honor that promo code. Well, another interesting day in the market. The market's actually up as we speak. It was very interesting. If you're watching the futures last night, at one point I think the market was up about, and I'm talking the Dow now, Dow futures, up I think 400, then it was down 500. It didn't look good, and then we had a little rally before the market opened, and little drop here, and I think we're mildly positive right now. So it hasn't been as crazy a day. And, who knows what tomorrow's going to bring. But anyway, today is today. Now, I did something I don't often do. If you were in the room yesterday, you know that we were talking about this WTRH. And this was kind of piggybacking with the apron, APRN. If you're not familiar with apron, basically a home food delivery service. I believe it is all across the United States, whereas this one is more regional. I think it's more in the southeast, but nonetheless, obviously a pretty good area for it to provide home delivery. And of course, home delivery in the news a lot. So I ended up taking this. I actually traded this one yesterday, but I wanted, as I said in the room, I wanted to see it break. And I think the 200-day moving average, let me just see something here. I'm going to type this in first and get back to WTRH. Yeah, so the 200-day moving average is 190 right now, but I believe it was around $1.60 or so yesterday. Anyway, I saw this action right at the end of the day, and again, I did something I don't often do. I took this trade post-market, okay? And I was in at 216, and I did sell some right here, post-market, 278. I woke up this morning and man, it just absolutely flew. I ended up taking some more out at 322 and I am all out of this trade now. But this, and look at apron. I mean, this is why you have to really pay attention. I mean, look at apron. I mean, apron kept moving higher and higher and higher, got all the way up to $28, almost $29. It is now $11. And so somebody asked me, what do I think about the WTRH? Well, I really believe that apron kind of obviously led the charge for those and for that sort of sector. And until apron, if it's going to recover, I have no idea if it will. I don't really think that WTRH is going to recover. Now, interestingly, in the pre-market, I also talked about a couple of others, Rave being one of them. And look what Rave did. These are all, my watch list again was unbelievable. I mean, if I just go through them, APDN, 812, it hit 896. Apron, I think this was pretty late, 27, it got up to 29. Rave, 168, got up to 183. IFMK, 234, got up to 280. I mean, I could go on and on and on. Berg was another one. But you see, Berg and Rave are kind of the same. They're not really in the same sector as APRN, but what they did is they said, listen, we'll deliver. We're restaurants, but we will deliver. And so that's why Berg and Rave, and I think one other one, I don't think IFMK is in exactly the same type as those two, but we saw them in the pre-market, and they are also alerted from the AI. Let me just show you here. They were also alerted from the AI. They don't look as good now, and that's what I always say. I mean, but there was the original alert, 140. But remember, this got up to, come on, got up to 174. and Rave with 133, I think I got up to 180. So, and the IFMK, but you have to pay attention. You just can't let these things, especially they're so low floats, very, very, very low supply, and the high demand is great when everybody wants it, but when all of a sudden when nobody wants it anymore, the bottom drops out of it, can drop out of them. So that's why you have to pay attention. You just can't leave them alone. So anyway, that is, I did have a little trade in Snap and all, but I just, the watch list has just been unbelievable again. I mean, look at the GMAB, 1813, got up to 1874. I mean, these are great little percentage moves. In fact, I think when I was running through these, the only one that really didn't work, I don't expect every one of them to work, was the BMRA, which finally gave it up. I mean, this is, this came from way down here yesterday and got all the way up here. But CNK was awesome. Look at this, 701, 991 right now. It did pull back, but before the pullback, it got basically up to this level. DBVT, 355, got up to 393. I don't think this one worked. Snap, I was actually in Snap, and it's been pretty erratic. But 908 got up to 936. C, I think it broke 21. Come on. Yeah, 2052 got up to 2121. This is another in the motion picture, 985. So this one, you know what? I'm going to watch this one. If it takes out 10, I may have to hop in it later on. But anyway, the watch list has been really, really good. So you want it? All you have to do is click on New, Channel Bar, and there they are. So every day you can load that channel. Remember, it's a layout, so make sure you save your layout to the cloud before you do that. But you can follow my watch list every day just by clicking on my windows, okay? All right, we do want to get back into the room, so bring back the capture program. Okay, and shut down my chart. So if you have any questions for me, just click on this email address, and there's a link for the free room. And don't forget, the promo code for 20% off more than likely will expire tonight, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So hope everybody has a great evening, and we'll see you in the trading room tomorrow. I'll open it at 9 o'clock Eastern Time tomorrow. Bye-bye.